In this video, you'll learn how to sell Canva templates on Stan Store. This guide will walk you through the steps to create and publish your digital product effectively. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Once there, locate the section labeled My Store. You will find this option on the main navigation menu. Click on My Store to proceed to the next screen. After accessing My Store, look for the option labeled Plus Add Product. This button is typically positioned prominently on the page. Click on Plus Add Product to initiate the process of adding a new item to your store. At this point, you will see a selection of product types. Choose Digital Product since you are selling a Canva template. This selection is crucial as it sets the parameters for the type of product you will be offering. Now, you need to enter the product name. Make sure to include the phrase Canva template in the title for clarity. For example, you could use Instagram post Canva template. This inclusion helps potential buyers immediately identify the nature of your product. Next, you will write the description of your template. Clearly indicate that it is a Canva template. An example description could be a fully customizable Canva template for Instagram posts, easy to edit and use. This description is vital for informing customers about what they can expect. Once you have entered the product name and description, set the price for your template. Consider researching similar products to ensure your pricing is competitive while still reflecting the value of your offering. After setting the price, you will need to upload a PDF or zip file. This file should contain the link to your Canva template or instructions for duplication. Ensure that your file is appropriately named and formatted to avoid any confusion for your customers. Once the file is uploaded, review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. When everything looks correct, click the Publish button. This will make your product live and available for purchase in your store. Including Canva template in both the name and description is essential, as it ensures customers immediately know the type of product they are purchasing. This clarity can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and reduce any potential confusion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.